Namaste, dear students. Have you ever heard a song which strikes you in your silent moment? Have you ever heard a song which you never forget? I am telling you a similar song. The song more sweeter than a cuckoo song, and also it is a song more pleasant than the nightingales who sings in the hot Arabian deserts for the tired travelers. It is such a song which is loaded with some unhappy events or familiar matters of a day-to-day life or about a tragic battle long ago. The great poet William Wordsworth had a song while he was climbing up the mountains in the highlands of Scotland by a solitary girl. Our present poem is
Behold her, single in the field,
by
yon solitary highland lass, reaping and singing by herself. Stop here, urgently pass. Alone she cuts and binds the grain, and sings a melancholy strain. Oh, listen, for the vale profound is overflowing with the sound. No nightingale did ever chant more welcome notes to weary bands of travelers in some shady hunt among the Arabian sands. A voice so thrilling never was heard in springtime from the cuckoo bird, breaking the silence of the seas among the farthest habitats. Will no one tell me what she sings? Perhaps the plaintive numbers flow for old unhappy far off things and battles long ago. Or is it some more humble, familiar matter of today, some natural sorrow, loss, or pain that has been and may be again? Whatever the theme the maiden sang, as if her song could have no ending, I saw her singing at her work and over the sickle bending. I listened motionless and still, and as I mounted up the hill, the music in my heart I bore long after it was heard no more.
Behold her, single in the field, yon solitary highland lass, reaping and singing by herself. Stop here or gentle pass. Behold her single. The girl was single, means alone. Behold her single in the field, yon solitary highland lass. Highland lass. The girl in the high regions. The poet appeals passers-by, behold for single. Behold or see the girl who is single in the field. In solitary highland lass, the girl is in the high regions, or it is in the high regions of Scotland. Over there, you see the girl is in the highland and she is alone, reaping and singing by herself. What the girl was doing? The girl was reaping and singing. Reaping means cut and gather or collect. The girl is cutting corns, collecting them, making bundles, and she is singing. The girl not only reaping the crops but also singing a sweet song. The song is so sweet, poet requests to stop here. O passers-by, you stop here, or gently pass without disturbing her. She is singing a sweet song. Our questions: what does the poet request? कौन रिक्वेस्ट करछन्ति? The poet requests to see the girl who is in the highlands. Whom does he say to stop or gently pass? କାହାକୁ ଅଟକିବା ପାଇଁ କିମ୍ବା ଆସ୍ତେ ଅତିକ୍ରମ କରିବା ପାଇଁ କହିଛନ୍ତି? He appeals the passers-by. He appeals the passers-by to stop or gently pass. What is the meaning of highland lass? The meaning of highland lass means the girl who is in the high regions of Scotland. Scotland ର ଉଚ୍ଚ ପାର୍ବତ୍ୟ ଅଞ୍ଚଳରେ ଥିବା ଝିଅଟି. Why does he request to stop or gentle pass? He requests to stop or gentle pass because we can listen the girl's sweet song. Stanza 2. Alone she cuts and binds the grain and sings a melancholy strain. Oh, listen, for the vale profound is overflowing with the sound. She cuts and binds the grain. The highland girl is cutting and binding the grains and sings a melancholy strain. She sings a sad song. एक उदास गीत गाती है. Only, oh listen, for the vale profound. Vale profound, vale means valley. Profound, valley is very deep. For the vale profound is overflowing with the sound, sound of the song. The deep, the quiet valley, नीरव, निर्जन, पहाड़ी उपत्यका, the deep and quiet valley is overflowing with the girl's song. The girl's song was a sad song or is a sad song. It is a melancholy strain, a sad song. The valley profound, the deep valley overflowing with the sound. What is she doing? What is the girl doing? Yes, ଝିଅଟି କ'ଣ କରୁଛି? ଏଇଠୁ ଆମେ ଆନ୍ସର ନେବା। କଟ୍ରୁ କଟିଂ କରିବା, ବାଇଣ୍ଡରୁ ବାଇଡିଂ କରିବା। The girl is cutting and binding the grain. A melancholy strain, what does it mean? ଏହାର ଅର୍ଥ କ'ଣ? A melancholy strain means a sad song, a sorrowful song. What does it mean? It means a sorrowful song. What is the valley? Overflowing with ଭାଲିଟି କେଉଁଥିରେ ଉଛୁଳି ଉଠୁଛି? The valley is overflowing with Highland girls song. Highland girls singing sound. ଝିଅଟିର ସିଙ୍ଗିଂ ସାଉଣ୍ଡରେ ଉଛୁଳି ପଡୁଛି। What does she request to listen? Oh, listen. The same line we can find the answer. Oh, listen. What does she request to listen? She requests to listen. Listen how the wheat valley is overflowing with the sound. What does the song overflow? Why does the song overflow? Echo or resound? The song overflows. The song echoes or resounds because the deep white valley was dead silent. Nobody is there, alone the girl is there. The girl's voice alone. Heart everywhere. So the song overflows, echoes or resounds everywhere in the deep, wide and large covering areas of mountain. Echoed by, resounded by girls' song.
No nightingale did ever chant more welcome notes to revants of travelers in some shady home among Arabian saints. No nightingale did ever chant. Chant means sing repeatedly. Sing repeatedly. बारंबार गाइबा. Means nightingale did not chant such a sun which is as like as the girl's sun. Or in other words, the girl's sun is more sweeter than the nightingale's sun. More welcome notes. Welcome notes means welcome sun. Nightingale is a bird who refreshes, who comforts the weary bands. Weary bands. Weary bands means tired travelers. Weary bands means tired travelers. Nightingale's chant is a welcome note to weary bands. The weary bands in the shady coolie oasis, they get a comfort listening the nightingale's song. So of travelers in some shady hunt, visited places, shady hunts, छायाश्रित जगह, छाईरे रहुथिबा जगह. The tired travelers in the Arabian sands rest in shady places. छाई जगह रे सेमाने सब विश्राम नियंती. We know Arab desert is very hot, a fire-like place. When the travelers through hot sun passes Arabian sands, they become fatigued, they become restless, they become tired, so they rest in the shady places in Arabian sands. Arabian sands desert भितर जोटी सब छाई जगह अच्छी ओएसिस अच्छी से जगह से माने विश्राम नियंती. When they take rest in the shady places, the nightingale starts its melodious welcome notes. तार सुमधुर गान आरंभ करे. They listen and they become happy. Arabian sands, the Arabian deserts. Our question: what did the nightingale do for weary travelers? weary traveler मानक पाई nightingale कौन करे? For the weary travelers, nightingale chants a welcome notes, or nightingale chants welcome notes for the weary travelers. What does welcome note means? Welcome note means welcome song, or a song which soothes, comforts our fatigued mind. Why does the poet think it is a welcome note? The poet thinks it is a welcome note because the tired travelers crossing Arabian desert
have become more fatigued, tired. When they take rest in the shady places, coolie places, they listen the song and it comfort them more. So the poet thinks it is a welcome note. Why did the nightingale? Who did the nightingale sing? The nightingale sang for the weary travelers. The nightingale sang for the weary travelers. Who did the nightingale sing for? The nightingale sang for the weary travelers in the Arabian desert.